Okay. Sagutin natin yung isa sa mga frequently asked questions, no, sa LCIF. Pwede ba ang LCIF sa blank? No? Pwede ba ang LCIF sa bata? Pwede ba ang LCIF sa matanda, babae, lalaki, girl, boy, bakla, tomboy, mayaman, mahirap, relihiyoso, walang relihiyon, kung ano-ano pa, no? Healthy, may sakit sa puso, na stroke, ano pa, may PCOS, may diabetes, type 1 diabetic, type 2 diabetic, basta kung ano man ang maisip nyo dun sa blank, no? Pwede ba ang LCIF sa blank? The answer will always be yes, no? The answer will always be yes. It will never be no. LCIF is for everyone, no? Magkaiba yung one size fits all. Sinasabi lagi ng mga kung sino-sino dyan na there's no such thing as one size fits all. So, hindi for everyone ang LCIF. No, LCIF is for everyone. Okay? Ang tanong na lang dyan, kung anong version, anong variant, anong uri ng LCIF ang gagawin mo. No? Yun na lang yon. So, hindi lang naman isang version ng LCIF. Maraming versions ng LCIF. So, tama na no LCIF is for everyone, but nevertheless, it will be LCIF pa rin. Okay? So, bakit it's for everyone? Because carb is non-essential. Okay? Nakalagay sa libro yan, no? Hindi essential ang carbohydrates as long as you eat ample amounts, no, of proteins and fats, no? So we don't need carbohydrates to survive. Nakalagay sa libro, walang exemption doon sa libro, walang sinabi na carb is non-essential except for babies or except for old people, except for may PCOS, except for pregnant people, except for breastfeeding people. Walang ganon. So nakalagay is basically non-verbatim, of course, carbohydrates are non-essential. Yun ang nakalagay. So long as you eat ample amount of protein and fat. Proteins and fats. Okay? So para kanino? Para sa lahat ang LCIF.